I just put a little modification on that there like last night because I couldn't wait. But I gotta put something else on there too. I'll show y'all. Y'all see it? Yeah. We about to make these shits light up. Crazy. We got a strobe light, feel me? About to install that bitch. I don't know. Install that bitch right in there. So we're gonna use the red and the black. What you gotta do, you gotta put in to in. So in is this way, then out is facing towards out. Same thing with this, but we haven't taken out yet. And you know, let's do it. All right, so black in with in, and red out with out. So all right, so we have connected the first one. On to the next one. All right, so there we go. Like always, this is in, the one that's up. This is out, the one that's facing down. Make sure they're straight so you can twist them like this. Just make sure they're straight. And put them together. Okay.